how to cancel DoorDash order. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can cancel your DoorDash orders, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to actually cancel your DoorDash order, first of all, depends upon what stage the order is in, because sometimes the restaurant might have already prepared the food. In that case, your order could not be cancelable. Even if you wanted to cancel it, what happens is you will most likely incur a certain amount of fee. So in order to help solve this, you will have to simply open up, and sometimes if you're lucky, you can actually call the rider and ask them to cancel it, or you can simply come to the orders tab. You'll be able to find your current orders that are currently running, and you can select that order and tap the cancel option over there. And this way you should be able to go ahead and basically cancel your DoorDash order. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.